Hi ma'am, I am Jackie. I am your attendant for today. So the procedure is giving you a back massage, and then first ma'am, just if you are able now, right? You're still able, right? Then can you cooperate to what we are doing, what the procedures we're going through?
Yeah.
And then mom, do you prefer for your back massage or the oil or the lotion?
Oh, well.
Okay, or the haplas. And then explain the procedures, ma'am. Ato buhatan na ni ma'am is magtagilid ta or magtulog ta para mag-massage ka sa imuhang back para ma-maintain mo ang imuhang pag-relax. So, sa really ang iba ng gamit, the equipment. So, ready all the equipment, and the equipment is here, it's ready. Then I will wash my hands. Then put a rubbing alcohol to start. Now I will ask the patient to do the side lying with the comb side. Ma'am, ay side lying ka or tulog ka, so can you help yourself also? Say in 1, 2, 3, ma'am. Direct forwards ako, mama. 1, 2, 3. Pwede pa ka, ma'am. Isigod ba, ma'am? Ibo pa man ka, ma'am, no? Tulog na lang ka, ma'am, para comfortable ka kaysa magtagilid. Then put your hands down. Then using the comfortable position. Then put that blanket. Then take the top sheets. Now to start, drape the blanket so that it won't get soiled with oil or the. Now to start, put some oil, the exact amount, then rub. Do the massage first on your shoulder. Ma'am, may mo na. Then, shoulder down. Your arm. Start the shoulder to circulate. To continue sa contact with the skin, essential for the maximum surfing of the effects. Now, the next is make a firm stroke over the center of the back towards the shoulder. Down. Place hand the middle to back and rub it over the fingers, base, and the neck. Base and the neck. Then do it softly. Not so rough, not so hard, but soft massage. Then do that. Lower. Then lower again. Do the effleurage massage from the bottom, from the west, going upward the shoulder. Are smooth or light chemical movements that used to moving hands up spine to the slightly down of the side of the shoulder. Next is to Juicy massage. Did you see? Using the thumb and the forefinger lead going up from the west, going to the top of the shoulder. To pinch in about 3 inches of the skin and the muscles. Now do the friction motion. Friction motion is using the circular thumb stroke massage from the buttocks to shoulder using a smooth strokes. Then return buttocks to shoulder. Now the skin is getting dry. Put some oil again. Then do the put it to the skin and do the equipment massage. Equipment massage using edges of the hands, performing hacking and motion over the surface of the back. Now, massage. Then afterwards, after the complete massage, get a towel to cut dry to get the excess of the oil or the lotion. Then excessive moisture of the leaves of the bacterial grounds. So now after that, ask the patient, then replace, or so the gown is still good. It didn't sell the oil or the rubbing alcohol or any liniment, so it's okay now to put it back. Then tie the back.
I want more massage.
My God. Then cover the patient. Then reposition the patient. Mom, ako sa ibalik mo. Kung anong ha. Wait sa mom. Then in count 1 help yourself also, ma'am, ha, towards ako ang mama. Wala sa mama ng kamot. Okay. Then, kasi mag-uusipin na, ma'am. Balik yung kamot, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Then, I'm getting sweat, ma'am. It's very intense. So afterwards, now the patient is done massage. Now she's back to the side lying position. So I will ask her to replace put back the top sheets. So take the bath blanket, put in the hamper. Now afterwards, then wash my hands. Then,
Asa na mo?
take the equipment, put the equipment away.
Magsuot na ko sa'yo ng
Then,
Asa mo bedsheet? May katutok ka sa minuta.
then record the patient's, document the patient's, client's response. Then, next is pretending the BP and the
Malali?
is normal.
Ano diba?
So,
Asa mo mo gawin?
NQ.
No.
Prevent a microorganism transfer. And thank you.